So good morning children. Okay, last class we have discussed up to how to assign the IUPAC name. Okay, that is called what ma? Nomenclature of IUPAC. So what is the expansion of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay. Next one, today next topic ma, manufacturing of ethanol. Okay, so this is the structure of what ma? Ethanol. Okay, look at this compound. Okay, so in this compound, okay, which part is called what ma? Functional group. Okay, this OH part is called what ma? Functional group. Functional group. Okay, the remaining part is called what ma? Main part. Okay, this part is going to determine the physical properties of entire this compound. Okay, this OH group is going to determine what ma? Chemical properties of the entire compound. Okay, next one ma. Okay, so we have to write okay this structure in this way also. Okay, CH OH. Okay, you take this carbon. What is the valency of carbon? 4. Okay, here one hydrogen, here one carbon, here one hydrogen, here one OH. Okay, the same way for this carbon also, carbon single bond, here hydrogen. Okay, so carbon single bond, that is called what ma? What series? Alkane series. Okay, so how to assign the IUPAC name of this one? Okay, only one parent chain. How many carbon atom? Methane, ethane. Okay, ethane. Okay, so end with what ma? Functional group. Functional group means what ma? Here OH, alcohol functional group. So we have to add with OL. Okay, so we may join this one. Okay, we have to strike out. So ethanol. Okay, so this is called what ma? Ethanol is a IUPAC name of this compound. Okay, what is the common name of this one? Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. This is a common name of this compound. Okay, so what is mean by ethanol? What is mean by ethanol? Okay, ethanol is manufactured in industries by the fermentation of molasses. By the fermentation of the molasses, which is a byproduct obtained during the manufacturing of the sugar from sugar cane. Okay, so ethanol is obtained from where ma? Fermentation of the molasses. Okay, so molasses is the one of the product. Okay, one of the byproduct obtained where ma? Crystallization of sugar from sugar cane. Crystallization of sugar from sugar cane. Okay, so what is the color of the molasses? Dark colored syrupy liquid. Dark colored syrupy liquid. Okay, dark colored syrupy liquid left after the crystallization of sugar from concentrated sugar cane juice. Concentrated sugar cane juice. Okay, this molasses contains how much percentage of sucrose? How much percentage of sucrose? Okay, the 30% of the sucrose available in molasses. Okay, so from that we have to extract the ethanol. Okay, utilizing the various chemical process. So what are the process we are utilizing to convert sucrose into ethanol? Okay, so one by one we will see. Okay, there are 4 processes are involved here. Okay, there are 4 processes are involved here. Okay, namely, okay, first process, dilution of molasses. Dilution of molasses. So what is the naming of this process ma? Dilution of process. Dilution of molasses. Okay, what is mean by dilution? Okay, dilution means what ma? Already the sucrose contains how much percentage of 30%. Okay, the 30% of the sucrose. Okay, that molasses. Okay, converted into, okay, by adding of water, converted into 8 to 10%. 8 to 10%. Okay, the 30% of which one ma? 30% of the molasses converted into 8 to 10% of the molasses by the adding of water molecules. Okay, that is the first process. What is the name of this first process ma? Dilution of molasses. Okay, second one, addition of nitrogen sources. Addition of nitrogen sources. Okay, already the molasses contains enough amount of nitrogen. Suppose the amount of nitrogen is less than the limit, so we have to add the what ma? Nitrogen substance. Nitrogen substance. Okay. Either ammonium sulfate, or ammonium phosphate, So we have to add any one of the substance to molasses. We have to maintain or retain the nitrogen content in where? Molasses. Okay. So third one. Okay. Third process, addition of yeast. Addition of yeast. Okay. So which solution is obtained from the second stage after adding the nitrogen sources. Okay, the same percentage of what 8 to 10% of the molasses. Okay, next we have to add yeast. Yeast to the second stage of the solution. Okay, the yeast contains two types of enzymes. Okay, what are the enzymes? Two types of enzymes. Okay, namely what ma? Invertase another one zymase, invertase and zymase. Okay, yeast contains two types of enzymes, namely one is what ma? Invertase, another one is zymase. Okay, so after adding this one, okay, so next it will start to the chemical reactions. Okay, so what is the chemical reaction? C12H22O11 addition of water molecule. Okay, here we are adding what ma? Invertase. Okay, converted into C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. Okay, glucose and fructose. Okay, glucose and fructose. Okay, which one is molasses is converted into? Okay, this one is called molasses is converted into glucose and fructose. Okay, with the help of what enzyme? Invertase enzyme. Okay, so next stage what ma? Either glucose or fructose. C6H12O6. Okay, so in presence of zymase, converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay, 2 molecule of ethanol and 2 molecule of what ma? Carbon dioxide is obtained from where? Either glucose or fructose with the help of what ma? Zymase enzyme. Okay, this is the second process, addition of yeast. Okay, the molasses is converted into glucose and fructose. Again the glucose and fructose converted into what ma? Ethanol and carbon dioxide. Okay, which stage ma? Third stage. Okay, so fourth stage, what stage ma? Distillation of ethanol. Okay, the distillation of ethanol or distillation of wash. Distillation of wash. Okay, fourth stage. Okay, the wash is nothing but what ma? The fermented liquid is technically called wash ma? Wash. Okay, the fermented liquid. Okay, Okay, this entire process. Okay, in the second stage we are utilizing the different process. Okay, that entire process. Okay, that liquid is called what ma? Fermented liquid is called wash. Okay, fourth stage, distillation of wash. The fermented liquid contains what ma? 15 to 18% of what ma? Ethanol. 15 to 18% of ethanol. Okay, now subjected to fractional distillation. So what is mean by fractional distillation? We have to obtain the pure ethanol from this one. Okay, utilizing the fractional distillation based on what ma? Boiling point. Okay, the main fractions drawn is an aqueous solution of ethanol. Okay, aqueous solution of ethanol which is contains 95.5% of ethanol okay, plus 4.5% of water. Okay, 95.5% of ethanol and 4.5% of water. Okay, this mixture is called what? Rectified spirit. Okay, rectified spirit. Rectified spirit. Okay, already we know what is mean by spirit. Okay, in local so many persons they are using what spirit. Okay, so what is mean by spirit? Spirit is nothing but what ethanol. Okay, 95.5% of ethanol plus 4.5% of water together, that mixture is called rectified spirit. Okay, again we have to remove this water molecule by the addition of what by the addition of quicklime. Okay, by the addition of quicklime. Okay, 5 to 6 hours. Okay, 5 to 6 hours under reflection. 5 to 6 hours under the reflection. Okay, then we have to allow to 12 hours. Next we have to allow to 12 hours. Okay, on distillation of this mixture, okay, pure alcohol, okay, 100% of ethanol is obtained. 100% of ethanol is obtained. When after obtaining this solution, next we want to add, we have to add to the quicklime under the reflection process. Okay, the reflection process should be maintained 4 to or 5 to 6 hours. 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 hours. Okay, after the reflection, okay, the solutions allowed to stand at 12 hours. Okay, stand for 12 hours. Okay, after this process, okay, so we are getting the 100% of ethanol. Okay, that 100% of ethanol is known as absolute alcohol. Absolute alcohol. So what is mean by absolute alcohol? 100% of ethanol is known as 100% of ethanol is known as what absolute alcohol. What is mean by rectified spirit? 95.5% of ethanol plus 4.5% of water. Okay, together that mixture is called rectified spirit. Okay, next one, what is mean by yeast and fermentation? So fermentation is nothing but what very big organic molecules are converted into, or complex organic molecules are converted into simpler substance. Okay, simpler substance with the help of what with the help of enzymes. Okay, that process is called fermentation. What is mean by yeast? What is mean by yeast? Okay, so yeast are a single called microorganisms belonging to the fungi group. Fungi group. Okay, the enzymes present in the yeast catalyze many complex organic reactions. Okay, very big organic molecules are converted into simplest one. Okay, next physical properties of ethanol. Physical properties of ethanol. Okay, so ethanol is a colorless liquid. Ethanol is a colorless liquid having a pleasant smell and burning taste. Okay, colorless liquid. Colorless liquid. Okay, having a pleasant smell and burning taste. Okay, first point. Okay, second point. Okay, the boiling point of ethanol is, okay, the boiling point of ethanol is 78 degrees Celsius. Okay, 78 degrees Celsius. Okay, 351 Kelvin. 351 Kelvin. Okay, when compared to the corresponding alkane, okay, corresponding alkane, okay, this ethanol is the highest boiling point. Okay, next one, it is a volatile liquid. It is a volatile liquid. Third point, it is completely miscible with water in all proportion. Completely miscible with what miscible, miscible with water in all proportion. All proportions means what is the meaning if you are taking 1 ml of ethanol plus 999 ml of water also. Okay, we may change the ratio in any ratio. That is called what miscible with in all proportion. Okay, so these are all the physical properties of ethanol. Okay, next one, chemical properties of ethanol. Chemical properties of ethanol. Okay, there are 6 properties are given in our textbook. Okay, how many properties are given 6 properties are given in our textbook. Okay, so what is mean by chemical properties? Okay, which group is going to determine the chemical properties of the particular compound? Functional groups. Functional groups. Okay, so first one, dehydration. Dehydration. So what is mean by dehydration? So dehydration means what ma? Losses of water molecules. Losses of what ma? Water molecule. Loss of water molecule. Loss of water molecules. Okay, dehydration. Dehydration. When ethanol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid. When ethanol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 400 and ethanol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, CON, C dot means concentrated sulfuric acid. At what degree? Kelvin, ma? At what Kelvin? You should not use the degree. What Kelvin? 443 Kelvin. Here we should not use degree. 443 Kelvin. It loses a water molecule that is dehydrated from ethane. Okay, so CH2 double bond CH2 plus water. How sir? Okay, this OH. Here we have to remove one hydrogen. Okay, combine. Remaining CH2 double bond CH2. This is called ethene. ETHENE. Okay, so ethanol undergoes what ma? Dehydration process in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin to get what ma? Ethene plus water molecules. Okay, second one, reaction with sodium. Reaction with sodium. Okay, ethanol react with sodium. Okay, ethanol react with sodium. Okay, sodium metal to form sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas. Sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas. ONA plus H2 gas. Okay, what is this name of this compound ma? Sodium ethoxide plus liberation of H2 gas. Okay, ethanol react with sodium metal. Sodium metal to form what ma? Sodium ethoxide and liberation of hydrogen gas. Okay, third one, oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. So what is mean by oxidation ma? Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, loss of electrons. Okay, ethanol is oxidized with what ma? Ethanoic acid. Ethanol is oxidized to ethanoic acid with the help of what? Alkaline K1O4 or acidified potassium dichromate. Okay, CH3, CH2OH. Okay, alkaline K1O4, KMNO4. Alkaline means OH minus. OH minus. Okay, K2Cr2O7 bar H. Acidified potassium dichromate or alkaline potassium permanganate. Okay, in presence of this oxidizing agent, oxidize the ethanol to give what ma? Acetic acid plus water molecule. Acetic acid plus water molecule. Okay, this ethanoic acid. Okay, during this reaction, okay, the color of potassium dichromate, okay, changed into which color to which color ma? Orange color to green color. Orange color to green color. Okay, this is the what ma? Test for identification of alcohol. Identification of alcohol. Suppose if any one alcohol compound is given, immediately we have to add any one of the substance to convert it into acid, acetic acid. Okay, so based on the color change of the potassium dichromate, orange color to green color, we can identify the given compound is what ma? Alcohol or ethanol. Okay, next fourth one, esterification. Fourth one, esterification. So what is mean by ester? What is mean by ester? Fourth one, esterification. Okay, fourth one, esterification. The reaction of alcohol with carboxylic acid. The reaction of alcohol with carboxylic acid, acetic acid, okay, to give, okay, in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, okay, in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give what ma? One fruity odor of the substance, okay. This compound is called ester and the process is called esterification. Okay, what is meant by esterification? Alcohol and acid combine to give one new compound in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, the new product is called what ma? Ester, and the process is called esterification. Okay, here you see, okay, CH3, CH2, okay, this one we have to take here, CH3, COO, CH3, CH2O plus H2O. Okay, this is the what compound ma? Ester. Okay, this process is called esterification. Ethyl ethanoate. What is the name of this one ma? Ethyl ethanoate. Okay, this is the fourth process. Okay, fifth one, dehydrogenation. Okay, fifth one, dehydrogenation. So when the vapor of the ethanol is passed over the heated copper, when the ethanol is passed over the heated copper, okay, at 573 Kelvin, at 573 Kelvin to give what ma? To give acetaldehyde and hydrogen gas, acetaldehyde and hydrogen gas. Okay, dehydrogenation, removal of what ma? H2, removal of H2. Okay, next one, fourth one, combustion. Fourth one, combustion. So combustion means what ma? Burning. Okay. So in presence of oxygen, ethanol is burned to give carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water. So sixth one, combustion. Combustion means what ma? In presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. Okay, ethanol is a highly inflammable liquid. Okay, so react with the oxygen to give water molecule and carbon dioxide. Water molecule and carbon dioxide. 3, 2, 3. Okay, we have to balance the equation. So how to balance the equations ma? Already we have discussed in the previous lesson. Number of atoms should be present in left hand side, that should be equal to right hand side. Okay, that is called what ma? Balanced equation. Next one, uses of ethanol. Uses of ethanol. Okay, so many uses are given in our textbook ma. So ethanol is here used in where ma? Antiseptic in medicine. Okay, antifreezer in automobile radiators. Okay, it is used in where ma? Food industries also. Okay, next to killing the bacteria, fungi, etc. Okay, antiseptic to sterilize the wounds in hospital. Okay, used as a solvent for drugs, oil, fat and perfumes. Okay, in the preparation of methylated spirit. Okay, METHY. Okay, METHY, methylated spirit. Methylated spirit. What is mean by methylated spirit? Okay, mixture of 95% of ethanol. 95% of ethanol plus 5% of what ma? Methanol. 5% of methanol. That mixture is called methylated spirit. Methylated spirit or methylated spirit. Okay, next rectified spirit already we have discussed. 95.5% of ethanol plus 4.5% of water, that is called rectified spirit. And what is mean by absolute alcohol? 100% of pure ethanol is known as absolute alcohol. Okay, next one, power alcohol. Next one, power alcohol. So what is mean by power alcohol? Okay, so power alcohol is nothing but what ma? Mixture of petrol and ethanol. Petrol and ethanol, petrol plus ethanol, that is called power alcohol. You may see that in petrol bunk they may put one board that is called power alcohol. Okay, power alcohol means what ma? It is a kind of mixture of what ma? Petrol and ethanol. Next, denatured spirit. Denatured spirit. Denatured spirit means what ma? Ethanol mixed with pyridine. Ethanol mixed with what ma? Pyridine. Okay, that mixture is called denatured spirit. Okay, next one ma, last one, it is used in where ma? Food industries also. Okay, so these are all the uses of ethanol. These are all the uses of ethanol. Okay, so thank you children. Okay, remaining part. Okay, remaining 3 parts are pending. One is manufacturing of ethanoic acid and chemical properties uses. This is one topic. Next one, organic compounds in daily life. Okay, soap, manufacturing of soap, detergent, okay, preparation of the detergents, okay, cleansing action of soap, okay. Next, the difference between soap and detergents. Okay, so during the revision time, okay, so 5 pages I want to complete it. Okay, still 5 pages are pending. During the revision time I will send 2 video. Okay, so during the revision time, just you have to see that video, you have to learn the 5 pages portion. Okay, 5 pages portions. Okay, during the revision time I will complete the syllabus. Only 5 pages are pending. Only 2 headings. One is what ma'am? Ethanoic acid. Another one is soap and detergents. Okay, so that's all ma. Okay, so remaining part we will see during the revision time. Okay, so thank you children. Thank you.